9 and 10, you have to graph. All right, these are going to be in different forms of the equation, and there's a different way of graphing each form. But you can really, any of these, if you just want to change it into slope-intercept form and you think that's the easiest way, you could do that. It would give you a y-intercept, it would give you a slope, a rise over run, you could do that. Okay, but I'm going to talk about how to do it with standard and with point slope. With standard, we're going to do just like we did. Standard is this number 9, this is standard form. We're going to do just the same thing that we did with the questions 1 and 2 on this quiz. All right, if we have an x and a y, input, output, if we plug in a 0 for x, what is our y? If we plug in a 0 for y, what is our x? That's what we want to find. Okay, that would give us our x and y intercepts. So, -7, plug in a 0, would give me 7y equals -49. So I just have 7y -49, which means if I divide by 7, y equals -7. So that is a coordinate point, right? 0, -7, going down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, there's one coordinate point. If I get one more, I'm good. I have my line. Next, plug a 0 in for y. If I plug a 0 in for here, I'm running out of room, so I'm going to kind of just write it up here. But we'd have like a -7x equals -49, right? Okay, this is just gone. It cancels out. 7 times 0 is 0. If I divide by -7, x would equal +7. So x is +7 when y is 0. So here's +7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up 0. So there's my coordinate point. Once we have 2 points, we have a line. There we go. Connect it. And we're done. Okay? So that would be with standard form. You just plug in 0 twice, get your points, connect them. You're good to go. X and y intercept. For 10, we actually have point slope form in this case, which we need to remember. Looks like this. We have y minus y1, m x minus x1. Okay? So using this fact that we know where things are located in point slope form, we know right away that our slope is, if you notice this negative sign, it's the same thing as a -1. So our slope is -1, and our point is going to be, well, my y value is going to be a -2, and my x value is going to be a +4. Right? So I'm looking at my point. I'm looking at 4, 2. This is a plus, so it should be a -2. So if I plot this point 4, -2, 1, 2, 3, 4, this should be on my line, and I should be going in a rise of run of -1 over 2. Wait, -1 over 1, right? If you made this in a fraction, it'd be like over 1. So -1 over 1 right there. -1 over 1. -1 over 1. -1 over 1. Okay, you can keep doing it if you want. You really only need 2 to 3 points to connect. So I'm going to try and connect it. This is nice. Just straight line going both ways. Make sure you have your arrows on there. And there's our line. So in point slope, we have a point that we put down first, and then we use our slope to find the rest of the points. Standard form, we find x and y intercept, connect them. In slope intercept form, we use our intercept to give us a starting point on the y-axis, and we use our slope to go from there. Alright, again, if you have any questions on graphing or don't know how to do this, or you're getting confused, please either watch the video again, try to listen closely, or try the example on your own. Ask a neighbor or ask Mr. Otten before your test. Alright, this is very important to get done before your test or the exam.